Hi, I'm Holly Johnston, Executive Director of the Valley Nature Center. Welcome. We have exhibits year-round inside our building with our native animals display. We also have a replica of a nest outside. We have wingspan displays, ponds, waterfalls, and just a nice trail that they can go on any time of the year. We're the oldest nature center in the Rio Grande Valley. We have an 8,500 square foot education center where kids can touch, feel, smell, and come out into nature and learn while they do it. You can also come visit our native plant nursery. Our hours of operation are Tuesday through Friday from 9 to 5, Saturday from 8 to 5, and Sunday from 1 to 5. We're $5 for adults, $3 for seniors, and $2 for children under 12. And we encourage everyone to visit. Nature, we got this.